that first one?
How got rid of it?
How did you do? And how did you? You've just been having bad luck with the junk on this thing.
Oh, this is a tough one, Amp.
It's enjoyable.
Remember to look up right here. Yeah.
Check that curve in your hand. Make sure.
Look at me. 3, 2, 1.
Oh no! Wait!
He definitely saw the purple.
Yeah, he did.